Hey, I'm a proud mom. Ngingumama nje proud ngempela guys, and I'm happy. Ngibonga kakhulu ku-Roda Girls ngokungithathela lo mntwana. Wamthatha esemncane high school.
I started the program in 2017 up until now, which means I'm 8 years in the program. I come from a very small town, which is Amandawi, and in Scottsburg. I first heard about the Roda Girls. I was in ICC, which was in 2017. I was doing my matric. We were in the exhibition center. Got very interested on the program when I saw more details about the Roda Girls, where it says the program is initially about initiating growing young girls on becoming better versions of themselves.
Ukujoyina kwakhe kuma-Roda Girls ngo-2017 uyingane ekhuthele kwangenza nami ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi ecebo lethu njengo-consultant ePortshepstone.
Usuku lami namhlanje ngiyahamba nge-United States of America. Ngiyokwenza i-internship program, which is called EJ1 program, and ngiyosebenza e-Hyatt Centric Hotel in the Memphis. Icebo lethu assisted me with the program when I first started to do my course, which I studied a diploma in hospitality at Berea Technical College, and they helped me financially. They paid for my school fees, which was for 2 years, and also they assisted me when I was doing my in-service training, and they also provided me with transport money to go to work, as we didn't get any stipend or master's year M17. I'm going for a year, and I'll only be coming back next year.
Icebo lethu Foundation siyalibonga kakhulu siwumndeni wakwaNyawose.
Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu ku-Ayanda no-Dr. Nomfundo Mcoyi. Ngithi uNkulunkulu akanikhulise abantakwethu nikhule. Mama Nomfundo, ngiyabonga sithandwa sami, uNkulunkulu akubusise, wakukhulisa, akunike konke okudingayo. Oh, ungithwalile mntaka omuntu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ayanda, ngiyabonga sithando.